So hey guys, we're live on CoinMarketCap's rewards section. So you want to check out the latest rewards. So for today, we currently have for Lucky Lion Wizard NFT. So you guys want to check it out. So it says Lucky Lion CoinMarketCap. This is limited edition NFT provided by Lucky Lion Game Fee for CoinMarketCap Diamond Reward Loyalty Program. So if you qualify to redeem, simply click redeem and follow CoinMarketCap prompts. So Lucky Lion is a game fee offering the next gen iGaming experience utilizing provable fair play. So our protocol is built on Binance Smart Chain, offering yield farming and revenue sharing in addition to gaming. So additionally, Lucky Lion offers a range of themed collectible and utility NFTs that can be earned or brought outright. So from Project Galaxy and Treasureland. So guys, you take note of these places where you can buy these things. So if you can buy here, meaning there should be an option where you can also sell. So for those people looking forward to selling this NFT after claiming it. So it says here only BEP20 MetaMask or Trust Wallet is supported. So you want to take note of that. So after redeeming it within 2 weeks, you can claim at Galaxy. So galaxy.eco/luckylion. So you should take note of this. To learn how to claim here. So I'm going to click on this button. I'm going to click on it so you guys see, because there are lots of questions on how to sell and how to claim this NFT. So you get the full update. So guys, if this is your first time on coming to our YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe to Akahilz. We usually drop updates on NFTs, airdrops, crypto news, and lots more, guys. So if you want to stay tuned to our YouTube channel, you want to stay subscribed, guys. We're really hoping forward to giving you guys the best. So we're giving out free bonus. So first 1,000 to I think 5,000 subscribers or 10,000 subscribers. So to be part of the family, feel free to subscribe and stay tuned. You can also check out our previous videos for beneficial updates and more. So how to claim your NFTs? See, claiming your NFTs on Project Galaxy is simple as long as you're eligible for a campaign launched by Project Galaxy. So follow the instructions below. So you visit galaxy.eco, choose the campaign, connect your wallet and choose the blockchain. Claim or pay to claim if the campaign requires a payment. So remember, when you confirm the transaction, do not adjust the gas fee, the gas limit in your wallet, or make sure the gas limit is above 180,000. So otherwise transaction will be failed. So view your NFT in my NFTs and you're good to go. So guys, this is where you can be able to see your NFTs. You just log in and you should be able to see your NFTs. So guys, I hope this update is helpful to you. Lots of people currently asking how to get these NFTs or how to see their NFTs. So this is where you check to get your NFTs. So peace out guys, one love. So those people that have up to 5,000 diamonds, you can, these NFTs for you. It's currently being claimed already by some people. So you want to be part of them. Currently became out of 250 that were made available. There's currently 136 left. So one love guys, peace out and see you in our future uploads. Goodbye, keys.